Good morning, everyone. We're at Spirit Lake Marina. We are taking the top off the boat here, the plastic. It's my good buddy Todd. We're going to take all the plastic off, and we are going to get the tops up, and we are going to get it in the water here in about a week. So here we go. Mark's doing his. Todd's up top. We're gonna push this off the front. So that's all off. Mark's still working on his over there with Todd. So now it looks like a boat again. So all the frame's off. See all the plastics on the ground. Now we just got to pick that up. And the next step is get the isinglass back up and the framework back up. So that's the next step. All right, we're putting up the canvas. So we got the framework up for the most part. Now, canvas. We got to get this other one up. Stand by. Still putting this one up. All right. I don't know if we can put that up yet. We got to put the top up first.
Good evening, everyone. As you can see, I am no longer on the boat because I found out that I went down below, as you saw in a couple of seconds ago, to go get the canvas top, and I had forgot it at home. So we brought it home to do the cleaning and rainproofing of it, waterproofing, and I left it in the dinghy. So I didn't bring it with me. So the boat is uncovered, and it will be until midweek this week when I can get back up there and get the canvas on and then get the glass back up. So there you go. Bonehead John forgot the most important part after taking the wrap off, you got to put the glass back up. And to do that, you need the canvas top. So I will film that part of it when I go back up. But for now, hope you enjoyed the unwrapping of the boat. And you'll be seeing more boat stuff, of course, this summer. I am getting ready to, like I said, go back up and do that. The boat should be getting in the water hopefully next weekend. And so I'll probably bring some of that to you too, traveling down the channel from Spear Lake Marina out into the channel and over to Barker's Island to our slip. So more to come. I'll keep you in the loop. Thanks for watching.